How's it going, everyone? Kellan here, and we're recording this from Zoom because today I'm going to show you how to go from using your standard built-in webcam to using a DSLR for Zoom. You're going to go from looking like this to this. So I'm just going to record my screen here through the setup. You can see we're using Zoom with the DSLR. It's a beautiful, beautiful setup. It looks really nice, but let me show you how to do it. Now, what I've got here pulled up on Google is the EOS Webcam Utility Beta. So this is if you're using a Canon DSLR and we want to run it through Zoom so that we can get a much nicer looking video. So you're going to need this utility beta in order to actually allow the camera to pop up on your computer. So all you do is just Google that and head over to Canon. Their website will give you an easy download. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to choose your model. You can grab this for Windows or you can grab this for Mac. Now, you're just going to pick your model, and when you go through, I'm using a 5D in this instance, you'll go through and you will just download the particular driver you're looking for. So if we go down and we look for EOS Webcam Utility Beta, you would just select and download that beta. So that's just a click through, download, and install a process. So once you have that utility installed, your camera will actually show up in Zoom. Now let me show you how you connect your camera to your computer. If I hop onto this camera, you can see what I've got going on here is actually, it's just a USB coming off of the camera. So we've got a little bit of a USB, and then that's going right into my computer. So it's a mini USB, that the port that's on the side of your DSLR, and it shoots right into your computer. This USB generally will come with your camera, but if not, it's just a mini USB to full USB. I can link that in the description below. You'll connect it to your camera, and then you want to open up Zoom, and you want to have the most up-to-date version. If you haven't updated Zoom all the way, you will have an issue. Now, just to point it out, I am using version 5.2.1. So prior to this update, I was having troubles finding my camera. You want to make sure that that is all set up. So you'll open up Zoom, and by default, your camera will be on your FaceTime HD camera if you're on a Mac, as we have here. That's not what we want. Obviously, we want to go through our DSLR. So the first thing you want to do also is make sure that no other programs are using your camera. So you don't want Photo Booth to be open. You don't want any EOS utilities open while you're running your camera. So camera should be on, it should be in video mode, and then we'll be able to see it here. So we'll go to our video settings. You'll actually see it's here, but we'll go to video settings just to show. And we should be able to change our camera to the EOS Webcam Utility Beta. Now, this is what we had downloaded earlier in the video, and you click on it, your camera should fire up, and there we are. We've got a beautiful looking Zoom setup ready to go. Now, obviously, because this is a DSLR camera, I can make adjustments on the camera. We could darken it, we could brighten it, we can change our focus, which is pretty cool, but you're gonna get that nice blurry sort of background. It's gonna feel really professional and look great. So hopefully this makes things a lot easier for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with more soon. Thank you.